started. And we're getting ready to help. Why would you poop right now? He just had his diaper change. Now he's ready for bed. So he ate, just got his diaper change. You better head for a little car ride. He's gonna fall asleep right in the car. I'll see you guys in there. Back from the grocery store. It's about 12 o'clock right now. I got some rice, some marinade, pastas, Alfredo sauce, vegetables. I also got some yogurt and some granola so I can start making some yogurt. All of this money on these juices, fruits and veggies, so we're going to start doing that. So I don't know what my first meal is going to be. It's probably going to be some juice. I'm going to show you guys the juice that I'm going to drink. Ginger and hibiscus flower pressed ginger drink. So we're gonna try it. I brought fresh hibiscus leaves. I didn't drink it this morning, so I'm gonna try it right now. Ooh. And this is the cup that I got off of Amazon. Let's taste. This tastes like beer. Smell like beer. Cheers. It's not bad. Tastes like flat Coke 45. Straight beer. But this cup is really cute. Really cute cup. Makes you want to drink. Trying to create a routine, create new habits, overall better well-being is what I'm trying to do. So I want to create some type of momentum, rhythm, routine that's going to help me accomplish those goals that I foresee for myself. I foresee a certain type of lifestyle that I need to work towards. I do want to get more active. I do want to read. I don't want to have that cliche lifestyle, that soft girl lifestyle. Like, I don't want to really do that. I want to stay how my life is. I just want to add new things to it, things that better me, things that are dedicated to self. Work out a couple of days a week, eat healthier, drink fresh juice, those type of things, just small things that add up to big deals in the long run. So that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, we just made it back home. It's about 12 o'clock right now. The kids are downstairs putting away the food, and we're going to be chilling out for the rest of the day. I will see you guys later on in the vlog, letting you know what else we end up doing. I just put on this new jumpsuit. Got some black on it. I love how it fits. Yeah, I just got up. I washed my hair. I put my workout clothes on. It's kind of rainy outside, so I'm just gonna put loose on my hair. I really didn't want to. But within a couple of months, I don't know, probably within a month's time, with me wearing these ponytails, is really damaging my hair. My hair was super long. Did complete the survey, but she said she also wanted to speak to me on when I could give her a call back. Last night I was just looking at myself in the mirror, like gave myself a hard look, like just looking at myself. And there's so many things I'm grateful. There's so many things personally for myself that I see that I want to change. And I know I just had a baby, and I know I'm breastfeeding. So a lot of the things that I want to improve revolves around me breastfeeding. Like, breastfeeding is draining, and I've been breastfeeding now for a full, almost a good 12 months now. I see how much weight I've lost looking back at my previous videos when he first was born. Now, a year later, I'm really thin. Like, I'm real thin. I'm almost to my high school weight. And that's not where I want to be. So, I usually eat around 12, and it's usually one meal. So, I really got to start eating more. Yesterday, my skin wasn't looking too good. I had a lot of, well, not a lot, but I had a couple of bumps on my face. Oh, man. I don't want to sound like I'm complaining, because I know there's a lot of females who would love to lose their baby weight. 6 months ago, I was trying to lose the weight, but now I'm like super duper thin. So yeah, for me to be this thin is cool, you know. I do got 5 kids, and to be looking like this, I guess that's a plus. But I do know where I see myself. I do see the things that I want to personally work on. I want to gain a little bit more weight. All my other pregnancies, I was never this thin afterwards. But I guess I don't know. I guess it works. Maybe I just need to be grateful and just be like, Tisha, you know that it's a blessing to look how you look right now after having a baby, after breastfeeding, after 5 kids, and you're complaining. So, yeah. He's starting to walk. He was walking a lot yesterday. I think within a week, you're going to be walking all by yourself. Huh? Yeah. Within a week, he's going to be walking. So what's today? Today's May. It's the end of May. We're about to be in June. So he want to get in his bathroom. So he's starting to walk. I think within a couple of weeks, by his brother's birthday, he'll be walking. For sure, he's going to be walking by his birthday next month. By July, for sure, he'll be walking. But his brother's birthday is in a couple of weeks. We're thinking about taking him to the aquarium. I think he'll like that. I think all of the kids will like that. Here you go. Mm. Mm. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get up, probably make me some tea, make me some oatmeal, because I really gotta start eating a little bit earlier. So yeah, so I gotta force myself to eat a little bit more. A little bit more. I bought some okra. I was supposed to be making me some okra water. So much.
Yeah, ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah. Yeah. How you gon' say that? Girl, I don't play that. I ain't gon' lay back. But you walk out my life, yeah. You know, girl, we go way back, yeah. How you gon' say that I'm the one at fault when we both involved? Cause ain't nowhere we could be if two or three don't agree. If you and me don't evolve, yeah. You and me don't evolve, yeah. Ain't no plans out of sight. Ain't no talk back or fight. If you and me ain't involved, yeah. You and me ain't involved, yeah, yeah.
I just got done my workout. I'm on my way to the store to grab some things. I think I worked out for about 30 minutes. I wasn't really timing it, but I did get up and work out this morning, which is great. I didn't have that many emails to respond to. Work ain't really that busy. I think I want to go back home and make either some kumui or some oatmeal. I don't know exactly what I'm going to get. I need to go to the book section to see if they got any workbook for the kids. And then I want to check to see if they have like an ice maker in here. My ice machine on my refrigerator, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I want to see how much their ice makers cost here. See if I can pick something up. And I also want to get some Parmesan cheese because I want to make some Alfredo. So I'm about to head into the store right now, pick up a couple of things, and then I'm gonna head back home. I did find an ice maker. It was around $80. It was on sale. It's small. It says it makes ice within 6 minutes. So I'm excited about that. So I got this ice maker. This is the ice maker that I got from Walmart. This is the ice machine that I got from Walmart. That's the ice. And it comes with the little scooper like this. It did not take long. Cheers. Go ahead, Rabbit. Let's get on the screen. Just made it back. It's about 5 o'clock right now. My daughter is downstairs cooking herself some fried chicken, and it smells really good in this house. It smells like she know what she doing. So they're downstairs doing that. I'm gonna do a quick little workout, nothing major, so I might not. So I'm gonna try to watch this show. Probably get a little 10 to 15 minute workout in somewhere in here, and then I'm gonna eat later on tonight. I did just eat some leftover spaghetti. Get off of that. So yeah, I just had some. See, you're not supposed to touch it. You're not supposed to touch it. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Yep, you're not supposed to touch that. No. No. Now come here. Come here. He hungry again. He's hungry. So I'm about to probably feed him, watch one episode, and try to get a workout in somewhere before I take these clothes off and take a shower and all that good stuff. Because I got to do something. What the world? What was that, Ashir? Oh my gosh, what was that? There gotta be somebody outside. It's probably my damn kids. They outside. I probably hear my own kids. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to finish. I'm about to watch this episode of The Housewives and then Basketball Wives. So both of them have a new episode out right now. I'm going to watch those, feed him, get a quick little 2-step in, take a shower, and then that's going to be it for today. All right? So yeah, y'all, I will see you later on in the vlog.